All right, so we're back again talking about the amp research, custom fabricated kit. Here at Boskywood Speed Designs, we're the only ones in the world that I know of right now who have fabricated brackets to make these work with a square body. This is a 91 GMC Jimmy. It's exactly the same on a K5 Blazer. The thing to note is that on these trucks, you have a tank in the back, right above the axle. That allows us to get these nice and flush against the rocker. And they both come out the way we wire them when you open the door. Super convenient, especially if you got a lifted truck. We also have the option for the trucks with the saddle tanks. They don't fit as flush, it's just the nature of how it works, but they work just as well. You can get your own set of brackets. We have them pre-packaged, epoxied, painted, ready to ship. Come check us out at www.boskywoodsd.com.